The following is an arrival address given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 27th of April 1976 in Auckland, New Zealand.
The foolish leaders, they are keeping us in darkness. Therefore Krishna personally comes. Whenever people are kept in darkness, that is called dharmasya glani. Glani means pollution. When the process of life becomes polluted, the process is that from the lower animal bodies we have come through the evolutionary process to this human form of life. Now there is further improvement required. This is the process, more and more. And that improvement goes up to the point of meeting Krishna in Gologovinda. Jadgatyana nivartante tadbhavam paramam. But even after coming to the platform of human being, the leaders, they do not teach them how to go further ahead up to the point of Krishna. They have no knowledge. Therefore they have been called in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Andha jathandhai rupaniyamana nati vidu sarthagatin ki Vishnu durasayaji vahirathamanina Andha jathandhai rupaniyamana stepi satantra urudam nibadha. These rascals, so-called leaders, gurus and others, they do not know what is the goal of life. Nati vidu. They do not know. Some imaginary theory, I am God, I am this, I am that. In common sense, if I am God, then why I am under the control of the material nature? This another rascal can, and I am God. If you are God, so why you have become dog? They say it is Leela. Just see, God has come to manifest his Leela by becoming a dog, and he is bitten whole day, night, he is hungry, and he has come to your home to ask some food, and you are beating. So God has displayed this Leela. You see how foolish rascals they are. This is going on. So don't be misguided by such rascals. Either he may be parents or guru or superior, teacher, whatever it may be, and don't be misguided. Fortunately, you have come to this platform of Krishna consciousness. Don't misuse it. That is my request. Narottam Das Thakur has sung, Hari Hari Bi Phale Danava Bhai. My Lord, Krishna, I have simply wasted my time. Why? Manusya janama paiya Radha Krishna nabhajiya janiya suniya biswa khain. I got this human form of life. It is meant for understanding Krishna and Krishna's pastimes with Radharani, Radha Krishna. So I did not care for that. That means knowingly I have drunk poison. So my only request is that Krishna consciousness movement is the most scientific movement to save the human society from falling down again in the cycle of birth and death. The very scientific movement. The cycle of birth and death is going on. We are eternal. The people have been put into so deep darkness, they do not know what is going on, what is the aim of life. They do not. They do not. Whimsically. Everyone is manufacturing something, nonsense. Janiya suniya bisakai. What Krishna says, we have to accept. Then we are safe. Otherwise, we are lost again. So fortunately, you have got this Krishna consciousness. So utilize your life properly. You have got immense literature. Read it, digest it, make your life perfect. That is my request. Don't spoil. At least you have come to the shore of Krishna consciousness. Eirupe brahmanda pramite kono bhagavanaji. It is great fortune. Bhagavan. Unless one is very fortunate, he cannot come to the shelter of Krishna consciousness. That's a fact. So don't misuse it. That is my request. I am very glad to see you. You are so enthusiastic. and you should be enthusiastic. Utsaha dhairya tat karma pravartana sato vritti sadhu sange saravi bhakti prasiddha. For enhancing devotional activities, one must be very enthusiastic. That is the first proposition. Don't be dull, enthusiastic. Utsaha and dhairya, patient. Utsaha, dhairya, nischayat. Nischayat means firmly convinced, yes, surely I shall meet Krishna. Go to him, back to home. Nischayat. Utsaha, dhairya, nischayat, tat karma pravartana. But you have to do the prescribed duties. Sato vritte, you must be very honest and sadhu sangha, and in the association of devotees. 6. Utsaha, dhairya, nischayata, then tat karma pravartana, sadhu sangha, and being honest. If we follow these 6 principles, then it is sure. Saravi bhakti prasiddhati. And just the opposite number is atyahara, eating too much. Or ahara means eating and ahara means collection. Too much collection unnecessarily. Of course, for our preaching work we require, but we shall collect as much as we require, not that keep money in the bank and spend for some other purpose. That kind of collection is dangerous. And too much eating is also dangerous. Atyahara and prayasa. Prayasa means endeavoring too much for getting something. Our life should be very simple. We shall act so simply that we shall have to save time for Krishna consciousness. So we should not attempt anything which is very difficult to execute. So, atyahara prayasa cha prajalpa. Unnecessary talking or nonsense. Politics, rascaldom, speculation, this, that. No, be grave. Don't talk nonsense. Waste time. Atyahara prayasasya prajalpa niyamagraha. Niyamagraha means not to accept the regulative principle. Niyama agraha. Agraha means not to accept. And niyamagraha means simply I am backed up with the regulative principle, but I do not see whether I am making progress. So at least one should stick to follow the regulative principle. That is good. That must be done in the lower stage. So, niyamagraha, utyahara prayasasya prajalpo niyamagraha, lollam, greediness, and janasanghas, and to associate with non-devotees, unwanted person. So, these 6 things should be avoided. And the first mentioned 6 things should be accepted. Then our progress is sure, without any failure. We have published this book, Nectar of Instruction. Have you seen? There is Rupa Goswami. All these instructions are there. Read it very carefully. Everything is there. So, only point is that you have got this human form of life, nidehamadyam. This is the opportunity. Good boat, just like to cross over the sea. If you get a very nice boat, that is one surety. So, nideham adyam. This body is good boat for crossing over the material science ocean. And Guru Karnadhar, as a captain, is Guru. The boat is there and captain is there. And the instruction of Krishna is favorable wind. Nidamamadam Guru Karnadharam. In this way, we have got this opportunity. Now you cross over from the material world to the spiritual world. If you don't take this opportunity, then Atmaha, you are committing suicide.